Welcome back to Sheikh Han, a YouTube channel working for the betterment of society, and I'm Said Sheikh. The contract condition determines the parties' obligations. A condition is an act or event that affects a party's contractual duty. A condition subsequent is an event or state of affairs that, if it occurs, will terminate one party's obligation to the other. For example, a contract might state something like that the client will pay for the haircut unless the hairdresser does not perform the haircut. In other words, the non-performance on part of the hairdresser will terminate the client's obligation to pay. So, if the haircut does not perform, what shall happen? A condition subsequent is a situation that terminates a previously valid contract. Certain types of contracts have clauses built in providing stipulation about what happens when or if a condition subsequent arises. Important here is when a contract has a clause like condition subsequent, people expect this hypothetical situation becoming reality. Since contract laws are extremely complicated, a contract expert lawyer, having reviewed the proposed contract, would be in a better position to advise about the legalities, extent of liability, if any, and to protect the interest of its client. Well, all shall depend upon what was the true intention of the parties while entering into the contract, as well as nature of the envisaged transaction. If you need to discuss the terms of your contract or any contractor issues with our contracts expert lawyer, you may contact us through WhatsApp or the email. And for more videos on the understanding of the contracts, stay with Sheikh Han.